Hey, my name's Mitch Lacey. In this video, I'm going to show you how I do sprint capacity planning. I'm going to walk you through some basics, show you where I introduce it, and then show you how you can apply this to your teams. Let's get started. First of all, I want you to think about sprint capacity planning like a glass. The glass has volume, okay? The can has volume. The can holds about 12 ounces or 350-ish milliliters. The glass is about 16 ounces and about maybe 500 milliliters. Sometimes I'm going to have a glass. Sometimes I'm going to have a can. Capacity changes. So I want you to think about capacity. Every sprint is something that has the potential to change, and think about it just like how much liquid, or in this case, water, can I fit in the glass this sprint? So what I like to do at the beginning of every sprint planning meeting is I ask the team, the developers on the team, I say, go look at your calendar and lay out the number of hours you're going to work per day. Now, laying out the number of hours you work per day is going to be all encompassing. So it's not based on, this much time for meetings, this much time for bugs, this much time for real work. No, it's just, if it's project related, this is the amount of hours. So in this case, you can see we have 6 across the board. So what I want to do is I want to populate 6 across the board. All right. And so we're going to lay that out. Now, this gives us here, you can see that bottom right corner, 360 total hours. Now, that would be the total capacity of the glass. However, we can't stop here. What we need to do is we need to be able to ask people, hey, go look at your calendar. Do you have anything that you have to deal with? Oh, yeah. Marcus looks and says, oh, we have a team all hands meeting. Right, Dominic, Ben, and myself, we've got an all hands meeting. So we're gonna be gone one morning. So we lay out 3 hours. Okay, cool. Carter looks and he's like, hey, I'm taking my kid back to college next week. I'm gonna be gone. All right. So we lay out 0 for Carter for the second week of the sprint. Emma and Ashley, they're good to go. And Marcus says, oh man, I totally forgot. I have a dentist appointment on Tuesday. I'm gonna be gone. Awesome. Isn't that great to know? You can see our total bucket now has gone down to 315 hours. All right. So what's our capacity? Our capacity is 315. We don't need to do any fancy calculations about focus factor or the type of person or the type of work that they do, because we're all in this together. So to recap, here's what you can do to help your team at the beginning of every single sprint. Simply sit down, ask them, hey, look at your calendar. How many hours will you contribute each day? Hey, I'll do 6. Cool. Do you have any blockers? Are you going to be out? Any planned outages? Yeah, I'm going to a dentist appointment. I got a meeting I got to attend for our group, and I got to take my kid back to college, right? So I'm not going to be here. Awesome. Gives us our total. Those are the numbers that I would expect to see as a product owner, but I'm more interested in the total capacity, right? Do you feel comfortable committing to this work? This should give your team way more insight, way more transparency, and increase their confidence in their ability to say yes. I'm Mitch Lacey. I hope you enjoyed this. Any questions, throw them in the comments. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and all that fun stuff. Thanks a lot.